चंद्रासारखी लाडती, चेहरा तिचा चांद भरी, वृषाली जशी लक्ष्मी जणू आली आपल्या घरी.
तुझे देखूं तो ऐसा लगे कि जहां में और कोई ना हो, जो मुझे तेरी तरह खुश कर सके. दिल दूं तो बस दूं तुझको.
One of the physical attributes that I like about him are his eyes and his beautiful smile.
साथ रहा, सांसें थमे, दिल रुक के फिर धड़के, जब तूने कुछ भी ना किया. न जाने क्या है जो महसूस किया, जो तुझे पहली बार देखा. खुद से मैं यूं बस कहता रहा कि तुझे मैंने कैसे पा लिया. तुझे देखूं तो ऐसा लगे कि जहां में और कोई ना हो, जो मुझे तेरी तरह खुश कर सके. दिल दूं तो बस दूं तुझको, जो मुझे तेरी तरह खुश कर सके. दिल दूं तो बस दूं तुझको.
She cares for me, I don't know, in a way where I feel I should care for someone else, and that I never had. So I thought, yeah, that's the one. And then I think Jan first week she just came home and asked, is this going somewhere? I just said, do you want to get married? And she was flabbergasted. She was like, that's not a response, that's not an answer, that's just a random thing. Are you into it? I was like, yeah, now 12 months down the line we're married.
कैसे जाऊं सखी रे अब. ऐसो चंचल चपल हट नट खट मान, ऐसो चंचल चपल हट नट खट मानत ना काहू की बात. बिनती करत मैं तो गई रिहार अब. नीर भरन कैसे जाऊं सखी रे अब. नीर भरन कैसे जाऊं सखी रे अब. नीर भरन कैसे जाऊं सखी रे अब. जाऊं सखी रे अब. जाऊं सखी रे अब.
So she calls me very sensitive.
One of the most beautiful thing about Rohit is that he's very sensitive and he cares for others a lot rather than about himself. He loves his friends, he loves his family, and he loves my parents, and he loves me the most, and his cat, of course. When I saw him walking through the aisle, it was like a dream come true, and I guess it was one of the best moments I ever had before.
चाहे जो प्यार करना तेरे लिए बना है ये जान.
Like the first time, I think we registered in the court, and the first time she hugged me saying, I'm your wife now, I cried so much and she laughed because she had no idea I could cry so much, and I cried for like half an hour. And even in the Shubh Muhurat, when she came, I started crying and then I couldn't stop. And since then my eyes are like teary. And when I saw her, it was like too emotional because the Vidhi one is like what brings us together. And
क्या कहानी है किसने जानी है, लिख दे तू ही यारे. प्यार से बढ़ के कोई न मानी है, वो इम्तिहान
I could easily decide for myself, do things my way. But from now, it's us.
It's very peaceful, it's calm, and I'm at the most comfortable space I could even ever imagine. He's like my home.
खो जाएगा नहीं पाएगा तू दूर दूर जाके अगर इस
In and around his world or my world, if it is right or wrong, I will be always be standing beside him, no matter what.
क्या कहानी है किसने जानी है लिख दे तू ही यारे प्यार से बढ़ के कोई न मानी है वो इम्तिहान ढूंढे क्या कहानी है किसने जानी है लिख दे तू ही यारे प्यार से बढ़ के कोई न मानी वो इम्तिहान ढूंढे
Hi. You might have heard a lot of things that I've said to you, but and you call me sensitive also. But today felt different. I mean, I couldn't have imagined a day like this without you. And since the moment I've seen you, it's been beautiful, and I don't know how you make it more beautiful every day. And since the moment I've met you, I thought my life it just bloomed. But each time I see you, and today when I saw you in that sari, the other day when I saw you in that dress, every time I fell in love with you just 1% more. And I just feel this is it. This is how much I could love a person. But I think you just blast it out, and then you win me over every time. So yeah, I love you a lot.
again in the back of my mind again.
आ जाती है ये बारिशें मुसलसल यूं ही चेहरे पे खुशी की बूंदे चेहरे पे खुशी की बूंदे.
And I love you so much, Rohit. I can't express it in words today, but I really do love you a lot. खोक्यात खोका टीव्हीचा खोका, आजपासून मी तुझी मांजर आणि तू माझा बोका.